This bike sounded a little muffled when I started it up. Turns out the float valve was stuck open. This is all raw fuel.
For those of you that have a good understanding of how carburetors work, you're probably aware that this one did not have an external overflow. No big deal though, I just held it wide open, kicked it hard a few times, it started up, and made sure that there was no bugs or anything on my shop floor. Now, I'm not particularly for or against internal or external carburetor overflows, but in this case it was a little bit annoying.